Bye.
So y'all, welcome back to yet another video, and in this video we have some solid cream gel polish from Modelones to unbox and try out. Now when Modelones reached out to me to send this to me, I wanted to look it up just to see what it was, because I've heard of it before but I've never used it. I found out that this has been around for quite some time, so I'm just a little late to the party, but it's okay. They're really coming out with a new line. They're revamping it because they've been selling this product before, but now they have new packaging, new colors, and wait till I show y'all the packaging, because whoever is a part of their creative team, y'all get a little thumbs up for me, because this is super cute. But I don't want to talk about it too much because I want to show y'all instead of just talking about it. But I'm going to find a way to make this testing and unboxing interesting and make a little like a game or whatever out of it, like I usually do. Y'all seem to like when I do that. I have a whole bunch of different colors. I think they sent me like 3 or 4 of them. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. You can see my full review towards the end of the video, and let's get into some notifications. Shout out. So these are the first 3 people who commented on my last video, so thank you guys so much for having your post notifications turned on. And if you would like a shout out just like these 3 people here, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel and have your post notifications turned on. That way you can be notified each and every time I post, and you can possibly get a shout out just like these 3 people here. So I was given this big old box, and I have 3 color cubes here, and I'm gonna give y'all a little closer look to them right about now. Okay, so here's how they look up close with a little holographic accent to it. And I just want to show y'all right here is where I kind of tested out. I did a TikTok video on it, testing it out, and this is one of the colors that comes in one of these. Look how pretty that color is. And right off the bat, you can see it comes with a little brush on the side, which I like. I might or might not have already opened it up. Yeah, I already opened up this one. And now let me just show y'all this packaging. So it looks like a little makeup palette. To me, it looks like an eyeshadow palette or like a lip gloss palette. Like when I look at this, I do not think gel polish, which is super cute. This is the one that I use for my nails, so you can see the comparison there. And you get a whole lot of other colors too. We got purple, pink, we got yellow, and that one looks a little goldish to me. But got blue, and then I'll call it turquoise. So this one is called All About Wagashi, and then these are all of the different colors that come within the kit that you guys just saw. But we got 2 other ones here, so let me show y'all what we got. So we got the Refreshing Grapefruit, which gives you a whole different assortment of different shades of pink, and we got one white there. And then here we have Fluffy Red Velvet Cake. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see, and that's Fluffy Red Velvet Cake, and they're so bright and vibrant. I just know that these reds are like super pigmented, and these glitters are super cute as well. This one is the Refreshing Grapefruit. Different shades of pinks, which I can always go for a nice pink. Y'all know me. That's like my go-to color. So I'm absolutely in love with their packaging. Like, this is so creative. But I will keep a link in the description so you guys can check it out for yourself. Modelones also sent me some acrylic. I'm not sure which set, if this set has a name or not, but y'all already know. If it does, I'll put it on the screen. But this is the acrylic powders they sent me. So it looks like we have nude colors, so mostly different shades of nude, which I needed. Y'all read my mind, because I needed nude colors. Yeah, we can definitely use one of these in the set. So I did say that I was gonna try to make this unboxing interesting. So I was thinking, we got all of these colors, we got all of these different color cubes. Let's just do a random set. Let's bring that right on back. I'm gonna start by picking one of these cubes randomly, and whichever one I pick is the one that I'll have to do a whole nail set around. Okay, so they all look the same on the front, so I'm just gonna like do a little switcheroo. All right, between the three. Which one do I want? I really want that fluffy red velvet. So fluffy red, give me fluffy red velvet. I think this one is the fluffy red velvet. Hold the freaking phone, because I done picked fluffy red velvet. Okay, end the story. Y'all done saw my PJs. I done got so excited. I know y'all done saw my PJs. Yes, I got on pajama bottoms under here. Y'all wasn't supposed to see that. But I got the fluffy red velvet. So I will be doing a set around a fluffy red velvet cake. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. I want to give a big thank you to Modelones for sponsoring this video, and let's get into it, y'all. So I went on to lay the acrylic off camera because I really just want to focus on these color cubes here. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So the acrylic I chose is this little nude acrylic. It's from the acrylic kit that they sent me, but for this set I'm going to try to recreate this look that I found on Pinterest. Of course, y'all know I love Pinterest, and I'm super excited to see how pigmented this is going to turn out to be. I want the brightest red, so I'm thinking I'm going to go for this one right here on top. And then we have our brush here. So if you're a little unfamiliar like myself, they do give you a user manual within the box that you get, and it shows you how to apply the cream and all, and you basically apply it as if you're applying regular gel polish, honestly. And we're just gonna dab on in there. Ooh, it's definitely creamy and it looks super pigmented. Let's see, I'm just gonna start at the bottom with the French just to see how big. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, we might only need one coat with this. I'm not gonna lie, with the other kind of like mint color that I showed y'all that I had on my hands, that needed 2 coats. But this, I don't know, this might only need 1 coat. I like bringing my French all the way up, so I'm gonna bring it all the way up here and then kind of come down. I'm definitely gonna have to come back with some acetone to clean this up because this is looking really messy. But we're gonna get through with this together. I'm just gonna come down, kind of make a little U. Definitely uneven. It's okay. I'm gonna kind of get underneath here. I'm not gonna lie, I would 1000% recommend this for nail art. It's like I was expecting this, but at the same time I wasn't. So I have acetone here. I'm just gonna take this brush here. And y'all, that is only with 1 coat. But we're gonna go ahead and put another coat on. So what I would recommend doing when applying it is applying it in very thin layers, because if you don't, it's going to get really streaky and you're going to see those streaks after you cure it. So apply the first layer in a thin layer, then the second layer in a thin layer, and everything will be nice and smooth. We're going to see if we can do this one even better. And then come up from the sides. And then just kind of meet in the middle with it. And honestly, I really thought I was gonna need my styling brush for this, but I really don't. Let's loop it on down. Oh, that's too centered. Oh, I'm gonna have to go back and fix that. All right, now for some acetone. It's actually not that bad. We just gotta clean it up a little bit. Okay, so this is how it looks with just one coat, and then this is how it looks with 2 coats. Just go ahead and put another coat here, and then we'll be on a roll. Honestly, I'm liking it so far. I cannot lie. And then I cure it for about 30 seconds like normal. So in the picture, they have like this little snake like design on the pointer and the pinky finger. I'm thinking they use some blooming gel to do that. And I know for a fact the blooming gel that I have really spreads, so I'm gonna try it. I really think it's gonna spread too much with the blooming gel. It's not gonna give me the look that is on the picture, but we're gonna try it, and if it doesn't work, we can just wipe it off. So obviously that was blooming gel that I just put on my finger, and I'm just gonna take a dotting tool and dip it in the cream, and then we're gonna go down the middle. Oh, we're gonna have to get a lot of cream, because I see right now this is just... Oh, that's gonna be hard to cure. That's a little bit too... Oh, no! Oh, I'm messing up already. I don't know. It's looking a little messy. We're gonna wipe this off and try it again. So I want to do this one a little bit differently. So I have this styling brush here, and I'm just gonna try to do it with this and see if I get a better outcome. Oh yeah, I'm already liking that better. I feel like with the styling brush, I have more control over how the shape is going to turn out. That one didn't turn out too neat, but it's okay. I'm trying to make like little rectangular, like little blobs, but with this blooming gel, it makes it a little harder. Y'all see me struggling. And then I'm gonna try to do like a smaller one towards the bottom. And then let's wrap this right on up. We're gonna go on the sides and do kind of like little ones on the sides here. The same thing on this side. And then I'm just gonna do one in the corner right here up top. And then another one on the other side. Put like 2 down here in the corner. And then I just want to get some of the excess off. So I'm just going to take my finger and then do it like that. There we go. Okay, so this is how the nails are looking. I'm not totally mad about the way that the snake print turned out. But like the picture, there are 2 crosses in the middle, on the middle fingers on the French. And I do not have exactly that, but I do have these red rhinestones that I think will be a good fit. So I like to put the rhinestones on before I put a top coat. So that's what I'm gonna do. And they have theirs like right here in the middle. And y'all, I'm honestly thinking that I just want it on one of the fingers and not both of the middle fingers. I feel like that's enough. I'm gonna take my top coat here, and just like the instructions say, we're gonna top it off, and then we're done. I'm honestly loving this nude color. Now, first of all, let me just say I am in love with this nude color in this acrylic. I love nudes that complement my skin tone, and I feel like this one complements my skin tone very well. But besides that, I am in love with this solid cream gel polish. Now, I will say initially I thought I will only have to do one coat of polish, but I would recommend doing 2 coats to really get the color in full effect. The gels are super creamy, they cure easily, and with them being in this small compact little case, I mean, it's easy to travel with, and it's not, you don't have like all these polishes all over the place. You have them in one little color cube. It definitely helps out with consolidating your mess. So if you would like to check out Model One's new color cubes, I will have them in the link in the description down below. And thank you so much for watching. If you watched this far, next week we have more reviews, more unboxings, and we're gonna get a little bit back into the Shein series, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.